how to loop or repeat YouTube videos on TV. So first of all, once you have opened YouTube application, you can search for a specific video or a channel. From here, I'm going to open a video. Now, once a video has started being played, you'll see various options below. Go ahead and select gear icon, which is settings. From here, you'll see the option of repeat. Select on it. Now, once you select on this option, that specific video will be repeated or will be looped after it has finished playing. So that's how simply you could repeat or loop YouTube videos on TV. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.